In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the ElevenLabs VPN error quickly and safely so you can get back to using the platform without getting blocked by connection issues. This is a common problem, especially if ElevenLabs detects that you're using a VPN, proxy, or an IP address that has been flagged. The good news is that in most cases, you can solve it with a few simple steps. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, the most important thing to do is disable your VPN or proxy. If you have a VPN turned on, go ahead and disconnect it completely. If you're using a browser proxy extension or any kind of network proxy, turn that off as well. ElevenLabs can sometimes block access when it sees a connection coming from a VPN or proxy instead of your normal local internet connection. Once you've turned it off, reconnect to the internet using your standard connection and try loading ElevenLabs again. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes your browser keeps old location or session data stored from when you were connected through a VPN. That saved data can cause ElevenLabs to keep thinking you're still on a restricted connection, even after you've turned the VPN off. To fix that, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or History, and clear your cookies and cached files. After that, close the browser completely, open it again, and sign back in to ElevenLabs. Now, if you're still running into the same issue, the next thing to try is resetting your router. This is especially helpful if you have a dynamic IP address, because restarting your modem or router may give you a fresh IP address that hasn't been flagged. To do this, unplug your modem or router from power, wait about 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. Give it a minute or two to reconnect fully, then open your browser and try accessing ElevenLabs again. A lot of people skip this step, but it can make a big difference because sometimes the problem is not your account at all. It's just the network IP that ElevenLabs sees on login. By refreshing your connection, clearing browser data, and making sure no VPN or proxy is active, you're removing the most common causes of the error. If you followed all three steps and you still can't get in, double check that no browser extensions, security tools, or system-wide privacy apps are forcing traffic through a proxy. Also make sure your internet connection is stable before trying again. In many cases, once you reconnect with a normal IP and clear the old data, the error goes away. And that's it. You've now got a simple step-by-step method to fix the ElevenLabs VPN error. Start by disabling your VPN or proxy, then clear your browser cache and cookies, and finally reset your router to get a fresh IP address if needed. If this video helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.